闪婚 lightning marriage. What's that? Quick marriage. 闪 means lightning 闪 flash marriage or lightning marriage, quick marriage. It's the short name for the 闪电式结婚。闪电式结婚简称闪电式 the lightning style 结婚 marriage 简称 the short calling。闪婚 the opposite is 离婚结婚marriage 离婚 divorce。闪婚闪离 quick divorce. It's a new internet words and it's another social phenomenon in China. The young people marry very quickly and of course divorce very quickly. 这对 this couple is pair 刚刚闪婚的夫妇，在1个月后就闪离喽。这对刚刚闪婚的夫妇 couple 在1个月后 at 1 month later or after then 就闪离了。See you next lesson for the 网络流行语。